Gender-neutral pronouns. In Italian, there are two singular third-person pronouns, lui translating to he, him, and lei translating to she, her. We are proposing to add another singular third-person pronoun, loi, which would be used by those who wish to be seen as gender-neutral or non-binary. Here is how one would use loi when speaking and writing. Loi would follow the lui-lei conjugation rules, and in writing, adjectives would use an asterisk in place of its gender modifier. In Italian, there are two types of adjectives ending in o and adjectives ending in e. Adjectives ending in o. There are four forms to match gender and number. Masculine, feminine, singular masculine ends in o, singular feminine ends in a, plural masculine ends in e, and plural feminine ends with e. Adjectives ending in e. There are two forms to match number, and they are already gender neutral. Singular ends in e, while plural ends in e. Here is how to apply loi. We will be using e to pronounce the asterisk so it can be understood that the adjective is in fact gender neutral. For adjectives ending with an o or a, such as bello, you would say lui è bello, lei è bella, or loi è belle, with the asterisk in place of the e. For adjectives ending in ce or che, you would say lui è simpatico, lei è simpatica, and for loi, you would say loi è simpatique, to indicate it is gender neutral. For adjectives ending in e, you would keep them the same. Lui è intelligente, lei è intelligente, and loi è intelligente, because the e indicates it's gender neutral. Here are some examples. Loi è alte, loi è antipatique, and loi è tradizionale. Belle, shouldn't that be considered plural? No, it's still considered singular. Because the verb being used is è, it indicates that the noun is still singular. For example, take è allegre versus sono allegre. Sono in this instance indicates that it is plural, while è indicates singular. Just remember to look at the verb instead of the gender of the noun being used when using loi. What about gendered professions which could be found in the Italian language? We are proposing that instead of assuming what one wants to be called, you just ask them what title they would like to use. For example, pay attention to the following scenario. Ciao, dottoressa. Ciao, per favore chiamami dottore. Dottore? Ma lei è una donna. Sì, ma preferisco dottore. Ok, dottore. Grazie. Prego.
By Chloe Brooks Kissler. Supervised by Dr. Amanda Minervini, Colorado College. Additional help from Chidera E. Palmeron and Emmeline Hawley. Supported by funds from the Colorado College Dean's Office and a Creativity and Innovation Changemaker faculty/student grant. Thank you.